Tired of those unexpected NBA League Pass charges hitting your bank account? Then stick around, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your NBA League Pass subscription, no matter where you signed up. First, let's tackle cancellation through the NBA app on iOS. Open the NBA app and tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for Manage Subscription. It might be hidden under Settings or Account. Tap on it. This will usually take you to your Apple ID subscriptions page. Find NBA League Pass in your list of subscriptions. You should see a Cancel Subscription button. Tap that. Confirm your cancellation, and you're done. On Android, the process is similar. Open the NBA app and again tap on your profile icon, then find the Settings option. From there you will be able to view your subscription and select to cancel the subscription through Google Play. If you signed up on the NBA League Pass website, go to Beckham and log in, then navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile name in the top right corner. Within your account settings, look for a Manage Subscription or Billing section. You should find a clear option to cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm. Now, what if you subscribe through a third party like Roku, Amazon, or your mobile carrier? You'll need to cancel directly through their platform. For example, on Roku, go to your account settings, find Manage Subscriptions, and cancel NBA League Pass from there. Amazon and mobile carriers have similar processes through their respective account management portals. Still having trouble? Don't panic. Sometimes the cancellation option is buried. Check the NBA League Pass FAQ or contact their customer support directly. They can provide specific instructions based on your subscription method. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your NBA League Pass subscription and avoided those unwanted charges. Now you can enjoy the games guilt-free.